Westcliff Elementary for the 2021 school year. We are so glad that you joined us for Open House, virtual Open House this year, but we are so grateful that you are with us. I am Miss Farmer. Many of you know me. I am the new principal at Westcliff, and it is my honor to serve you and the Westcliff community.
Good evening, Wildcats. I'm Maria Werner, and I'm the administrative assistant this year at Westcliff. It's a great year to be a Wildcat.
Parents, we are all about safety here at Westcliff, but we are also all about learning. We are wild about learning this year, and so we want to take you on a quick tour of our school building. Come on inside. We are inside the front foyer of our building. We are going to take a quick tour and we will rejoin you in just a few minutes from our kindergarten classrooms.
Welcome back. We are in a kindergarten classroom here at Westcliff, and as you can see, the classroom is in transition to be set up for our return to 5 days a week. We have our students set up 6 feet apart so that they can still interact with one another and have fun while learning, but they are separate and safe.
We will rejoin you in just a few minutes to see an upper grades classroom.
Welcome to our 4th grade classroom, where currently we have our desks and classrooms set up for our Track A, Track B scheduling. Soon we will be moving the arrangement to our groups of 4 with the plexiglass dividers that are DHEC approved and ready to go.
Keeping students safe and learning. Join us in a few minutes in the Media Center. Well, we decided to take a little detour. We're stopping off in the STEAM lab now. Mr. Childers, who has been our technology lab teacher for a number of years, has taken on a new venture in the STEAM lab. So he is working with students on science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. Students have fun learning with Mr. C in the STEAM lab. Our final stop this afternoon is the Media Center. Most of you know it is the library, as you can see behind me. Ms. Roper has a socially distanced setup here for her tables for when she can work with some smaller groups of students. But the main reason we brought you to the library is so that we could show you the plexiglass barrier that students will have on desktops. As we showed you in 4th grade, they're going to put those desktops together, and they'll use this plexiglass to help separate students and keep them safe while they're continuing to learn. We will use this in 2nd through 5th grades as we transition to a 5-day plan. I want to give you a few reminders. The first is, if you have not joined PTA, PTA is a great way to help our school. So you can go to our school website and find information there about joining PTA. Also, make sure you are frequently checking our school website for information and updates, especially as it relates to the transition for all students back to a 5-day plan, which will happen over the next several weeks in increments. So be sure to check our school website for those updates. We thank you so much for joining us on our school tour. We know that you will join the teachers this evening for their Google Meets open house sessions, and we thank you for what you do with students each and every day to help them with their learning and with their school here at Westcliff. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.